Get ready to witness the future of extreme adventure and luxury combined into one unstoppable machine. The 2026 Scania V8 770S camper truck motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a beast on wheels engineered for those who demand power, space, comfort, and capability all at once. If you've ever dreamt of conquering every terrain without giving up the luxuries of home, this upcoming marvel is built precisely for you. Starting with what makes this motorhome stand out from the crowd, the heart of this machine. The 2026 Scania V8 770S is expected to feature the legendary 770 horsepower 16.4-liter V8 turbo diesel engine, the most powerful engine Scania has ever built. Designed primarily for hauling heavy loads in extreme conditions, this engine now finds itself powering an ultra-luxurious off-grid motorhome. With an incredible 3,700 Newton-meters of torque, this truck doesn't just climb hills, it dominates mountains. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating through muddy trails, the Scania V8 770S delivers effortless performance. One of the most talked about features is its 6x6 all-wheel drive configuration, which enhances stability, grip, and off-road prowess. It's built on a rugged chassis engineered to handle brutal terrains, and the reinforced suspension absorbs shocks like a champ. Whether it's desert dunes, snowy trails, or jungle paths, this camper is made to go where others stop. Now let's talk speed. While it's not a race truck, this massive motorhome surprises everyone with its smooth acceleration. Expected to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 20 seconds. Considering its size and weight, that's seriously impressive. The top speed is electronically limited to around 90 kilometers per hour for safety and control, especially when fully loaded with off-grid equipment and water tanks. Inside, the 2026 Scania V8 770S camper feels like a high-end apartment on wheels. Step inside and you're greeted by a futuristic interior packed with intelligent features. Expect premium wood finishes, ambient LED lighting, heated floors, and full climate control. The living space is spacious enough for a family, with a dedicated bedroom, lounge area, kitchen, and even a fully equipped bathroom with a hot shower. The kitchen includes an induction cooktop, dual fridge freezers, a microwave oven, and filtered water systems, all powered by an advanced solar and battery storage setup. Speaking of battery power, this vehicle integrates a smart hybrid off-grid system. With up to 2,000 lithium batteries, solar panels on the roof generating up to 3,000 watts, and an integrated diesel generator for backup, you're set for weeks of off-grid living. USB-C ports, AC outlets, satellite Wi-Fi connectivity, and even Starlink compatibility make it a digital nomad's dream. The electrical system supports fast charging and can be managed through an app that gives you full control over energy consumption, battery health, and even remote heating or cooling. Design-wise, the exterior is nothing short of commanding. Aggressive lines, LED matrix headlights, custom matte paint options, off-road bumpers, roof racks, and rear-mounted spare tires give it a bold, post-apocalyptic appeal. The camper module is built with reinforced insulation for all-weather comfort and features large dual-pane windows for panoramic views. Safety is also a top priority. Expect features like radar-based adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, 360-degree cameras, tire pressure monitoring, blind spot warning, and electronic stability control. It's built for families, solo travelers, and remote adventurers who refuse to compromise on safety or luxury. Now let's address the big question, the price. The 2026 Scania V8 770S camper truck motorhome is expected to start around $1.2 million, depending on customizations. Yes, it's a hefty investment, but what you're getting is a road-legal fortress that can function as a full-time residence, luxury hotel, and off-grid explorer all in one. Performance-wise, its towing capacity easily surpasses 30 tons, making it ideal for hauling extra gear, trailers, or even other vehicles. The fuel economy, while not its strong suit, is compensated by its dual fuel tank system holding over 1,000 liters of diesel, giving you a driving range of approximately 2,500 kilometers depending on terrain and load. As for the release date, Scania has yet to officially confirm the launch, but sources close to the manufacturer suggest a late 2025 reveal, with production deliveries starting in mid-2026. Early prototype testing has already been spotted in parts of Sweden and Norway, and the buzz is growing every day among Overlanders and expedition enthusiasts. To wrap things up, the 2026 Scania V8 770S camper truck motorhome isn't just a camper, it's a revolution. It redefines what it means to travel, live, and explore in complete freedom. From extreme power to unmatched comfort, smart tech to rugged design, this machine is the ultimate symbol of independence and dominance on the road. If you're looking to take your lifestyle off the grid without leaving luxury behind, the 2026 Scania V8 770S might just be the one vehicle that can do it all. Trailers, or even other vehicles,